हेलो, हाउ आर यू। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव के बारे में। इसमें हम लोग एनसीईआरटी का कुछ क्वेश्चन लेते हैं और उसको सॉल्व करते हैं और जानते हैं कि डबल डेरिवेटिव से रिजल्ट को प्रूफ कैसे किया जाता है, राइट। तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिखा है एनसीईआरटी सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, है ना। तो इसमें क्वेश्चन लेते हैं और समझते हैं। यहाँ पे क्या करना है ना कि एक फंक्शन दिया रहेगा, उसका फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, उसके बाद उसका सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, उसके बाद जो रिलेशंस दिए रहेंगे, है ना, क्वेश्चन में, है ना, उसमें उसको डिपुट करना है, डालना है, उसके बाद प्रूफ करना है रिजल्ट को। ठीक है, तो मैं क्वेश्चन लेता हूँ यहाँ पे y इक्वल tan इनवर्स x होल स्क्वायर, और हम लोग को प्रूव करना है x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर y2 का मतलब होता है d2y अपॉन dx2, मतलब डबल डेरिवेटिव, प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 y1 का मतलब हुआ dy अपॉन dx, हाँ, इक्वल टू 2 लानी है हम लोग को। तो हम लोग यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन सीखते हैं इसका, है ना। तो क्या करना होगा, सबसे पहले हम लोग dy अपॉन dx मालूम कर लेंगे, जिसे हम लोग y1 भी कहते हैं। तो d एट द प्लेस ऑफ y बी पुट हेयर tan इनवर्स x होल स्क्वायर, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल it is the function of tan inverse x by the chain rule, and now differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x, and now it has formula like 2 tan inverse x 2 to the power 2 minus 1 into tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, so 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. This is the first derivative of y equal tan inverse x whole square. And now we go towards second derivative. So second derivative d square by upon dx square, right? And it can be written like this: dy upon dx with respect to x. And we have got here dy by upon dx. So we put d 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square upon dx, right. Now it has a formula like u upon v form, quotient rule, and you know quotient rule, and y that you can write here v into derivative of u means 1 plus x square into derivative of 2 tan inverse x with respect to x minus u means numerator 2 tan inverse x into differentiation of v 1 plus x square with respect to x upon v square 1 plus x square whole square, right. And this is equal to y2, you can say, because y2 is equal to d square by upon dx square. So again write y2 equal 1 plus x square, and 2 is constant here, so it comes out of differentiation, and differentiation of tan inverse x becomes 1 upon 1 plus x square minus 2 tan inverse x, and again 1 is constant here, his derivative is 0, and x square derivative is 2x, so 0 plus 2x you can write here upon 1 plus x square whole square, right. This will be cancelled out, so we can write here y2 equal 2 minus, and here 2x into 2, so you can write here 4x into tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square whole square. And after doing cross multiplication you can write 1 plus x square whole square into by 2, this is equal to 2 minus 4x tan inverse x. And now this term comes in LHS, so negative changes into positive. So you can write in next step 1 plus x square whole square by 2 plus 4x into tan inverse x, and this is equal to in right side 2 alone. Further, from this equation you can write, from first you can write what? Here this is y1, this is y1, because y1 indicates dy upon dx. So y1 equal to tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. So if you find tan inverse x, then it will come in multiple and 2 in denominator. So you can write here tan inverse x equal 1 plus x square into y1 upon 2, and at the place of tan inverse x in this relation we will put like this. So we can write here 1 plus x square whole square by 2 plus 4x into 1 plus x square into y1 upon 2 and equals 2. 2 to the 4. So the result which is final for you, 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x 1 plus x square y1, this is equal to 2. So in this way you can use second derivative in such type of questions. अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं और उसे भी सॉल्व करने का हम लोग प्रयास करते हैं, है ना। कैलकुलेशन का विशेष ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, है ना, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में। हम लोग यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। द क्वेश्चन इज if e to the power y into x plus 1 equal 1, now we have to prove like d square y upon dx square equal dy upon dx whole square. Yes, very nice. So first of all, why the relation we proceed? You are given e to the power y x plus 1 equal 1. Using dy by dx both sides. So d1 upon dx. Now here the rule is u into v. So after using u into v, u into derivative of v, v is here x plus 1, I assume. So u into derivative of v plus v, v means x plus 1, into derivative of u, u means e to the power y, and here e to the power y is the function of y. So first of all we differentiate with respect to y here, and again y is differentiated with respect to x, and one has differentiation 0, right, and e to the power y, the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0. So here only 1 you can write here, and x plus 1, derivative of e to the power y with respect to y is e to the power y into dy upon dx. This is equal to 0, right. You see here e to the power y x plus 1, e to the power y x plus 1, and this is equal to 1. So at the place of this we can put 1 here. So e to the power y plus 1 into dy upon dx, this is equal to 0. And from here we find dy by dx. dy by dx is minus e to the power y. Further, in RHS we have to prove dy upon dx whole square. So first of all we are squaring it, dy upon dx whole square. After squaring, negative sign will be gone. So you can write here e to the power 2y. Why? Because e to the power y whole square means e to the power y into e to the power y. When base remains same, then in multiplication process power will be added. So e to the power 2y you can write. Further we differentiate dy by dx because we have to find second derivative also in the proof. Further d square by upon dx square. And now it is equal to differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x, and dy by dx is here e to the power y with negative sign, here dy by upon dx upon dx. But firstly this is the function of y, so negative comes after differentiation, and e to the power y with respect to y, and again differentiate y with respect to x, and exponential has same differentiation, so e to the power y, and dy upon dx is equal to minus e to the power y. Minus into minus becomes plus, and again e to the power y into e to the power y, power will be added, so e to the power 2y. This is the d square by upon dx square. Okay, so after using result 1 and result 2, you can say that from 1 and 2 you can say that d square by upon dx square is equal to dy upon dx whole square, राइट। तो इस तरह से आप जो है क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, है ना। डबल डेरिवेटिव का भी अगर क्वेश्चन है तो उसको आप आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। नाउ वी सी थर्ड क्वेश्चन हियर, एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज you are given y equal 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x, and we have to prove d square by upon dx square equal to 49y, right? This is the question. In solution we find first derivative firstly, so dy upon dx, this one is the constant, so comes out of differentiation, and exponential has same differentiation with respect to 7x, and the differentiation of 7x is again 7, so you can write 500 into 7 into e to the power 7x. We are using chain rule here especially, and again plus 600 into minus 7, this is the differentiation of minus 7x, and exponential has same differentiation minus 7x. So you can write here 500 into 7 e to the power 7x plus into minus minus 600 into 7 into e to the power minus 7x. This one is the dy upon dx. Again we differentiate d square by upon dx square, so it becomes 500 into 7, again e to the power 7x, and 7x differentiation is 7, minus 600 into 7 e to the power minus 7x, and differentiation of minus 7x is minus 7. So you can write here 7 7 ja 49 and 7 7 ja 49, so you can take 49 common here, and in bracket you can write 500 e to the power 7x, minus into minus becomes plus, and here 600 into e to the power minus 7x, and you judge here this is the result which is given by the question equal to y. So you can write here 49 into y. So the second derivative is 49 into y, which one we have to prove. Okay, so this is the result. इस तरह से क्या कर सकते हैं आप, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव का जो क्वेश्चन है उसको भी बहुत ही आसानी से आप क्लिक कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, तो हम लोग एनसीईआरटी का कुछ क्वेश्चन लेकर देख रहे हैं। सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव एक चैप्टर है जिसका, ठीक है, आप भी घर में इसको क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे। एट होम you should solve it, and wherever you problem write in comment. Now the next question is y इक्वल a इंटू ई टू द पावर एम एक्स प्लस b इंटू ई टू द पावर एन एक्स. We have to prove y2 means d2y upon dx2 double derivative minus m plus n into y1 प्लस m इंटू n y इक्वल 0. ये लाना है. कुछ नहीं, सबसे पहले क्या करना है हम लोग को, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव निकालना है और डबल डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. ये दोनों तो निकालना ही निकालना है हम लोग को. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं हम लोग, डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स मालूम करते हैं, जिसे हम लोग y1 भी कहते हैं. राइट, तो ये क्या मिल गया, कांस्टेंट और e टू दी पावर एम एक्स का e टू दी पावर एम एक्स एंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एम एक्स इज एम हेयर. इन सिमिलर फैशन b and e to the power nx with respect to x e to the power nx and again derivative of nx is n. So a into m e to the power mx plus b into n e to the power nx. This is the first derivative. Now we find y2 means again differentiate dy by upon dx, d2y upon dx2. Right. So here am is constant, so you can write am, and again derivative of e to the power mx is same and the derivative of mx is m here. And further in the second term bn is constant, e to the power nx same and the derivative of nx is n here. So you can write here am square e to the power mx plus vn square e to the power nx. Right. After finding dy by dx and d2y upon dx2, we have to use the LHS of the proof. So LHS of the proof is y2 minus m plus n y1 plus mn y. At the place of y2 we put am square e to the power mx plus vn square e to the power nx minus m plus n at the place of y1, and the y1 is am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx plus mn at the place of y. Yes, at the place of y this will be in term of x. So a e to the power mx plus v e to the power nx. Right, and nothing, just we have to simplify it carefully and result is going to come. So after multiplying m in these two terms in bracket, so you can write here minus m into m, so minus am square e to the power mx. Right, and again this is multiplying this term minus bmn e to the power nx. In similar fashion second term minus amn e to the power mx, and again minus in this term n into n square minus into plus minus, so minus bn square e to the power nx. Further this is multiplied in these two terms. Here I am writing plus amn e to the power mx plus bmn e to the power nx. Right, and judge here carefully, am square e to the power mx, am square e to the power mx minus and plus, this will gone, bn square e to the power nx and bn square e to the power nx minus plus, this gone. And now bmn e to the power nx with minus and bmn is by nx is plus, this gone, and again this gone, so whole becomes 0. This is equal to RHS. तो इस तरह से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चन को बहुत ही आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो है वो हार्ड नहीं है, जस्ट यू हैव टू बिल्ड अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल. व्हेन यू विल बिल्ड अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल देन क्वेश्चन विल ऑटोमेटिकली tackled by you. Yes. And now the next question we see on the board. The next question is y equal 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. And now we have to prove, my friends, डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 0. First of all, we find dy by dx without any hesitation. So dy upon dx becomes 5, derivative of cos is minus sin, and minus 3 derivative of sin is cos. So you can write here minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x, and again derivative d square by upon dx square. So minus 5 derivative of sin is cos here, and minus 3 derivative of cos is minus sin x here. So you can write here minus into minus becomes minus 5 cos x. You can write here minus 5 cos x, and minus into minus becomes plus here 3 sin x. Yes. After finding dy by dx and d square by upon dx square, we go on result which we have to prove. The result LHS is d square by upon dx square plus y, right? And d square by upon dx square is minus 5x minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x plus y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, right? So ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, दिस वन विल ऑल्सो कैंसिल आउट, सो दिस इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज RHS. आई बात समझ में? तो अगर इरादों में बारूद के ढेर होंगे, अगर इरादों में बारूद के ढेर होंगे तो दुनिया की नज़र में आप बिल्ली नहीं शेर होंगे, राइट? तो इस तरह से आप सारे क्वेश्चन को एनसीईआरटी का करेंगे. हम लोग अगले दिन जब आपसे बात करेंगे तो आपको बताएंगे मैक्लॉरिन्स थ्योरम के बारे में, थोड़ा सा मैक्लॉरिन्स थ्योरम के बारे में बताएंगे. और कोई भी एक्सपेंशन जो आप याद करते हैं वो याद नहीं करना पड़ेगा. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द मैक्लॉरिन थ्योरम्स एंड डिफरेंशिएशन यू कैन फाइंड एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ फंक्शंस. ये हम लोग अगले दिन बात करेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन के तरफ प्रस्थान करेंगे. आज यहीं पे देते हैं ब्रेक और मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. थैंक यू सो मच.